Hello and welcome to Virola Corporate Messenger. In this video, you will see how screen sharing and remote control features work in Virola. Here is my screen, which I'm about to share with my colleagues. To activate screen sharing or remote control, I need to click on the screen sharing icon. Now we can see a blue frame, which is not sharing any information yet. In the top right corner of this frame, you can find the following options. Click on the first icon to start your screen sharing, and on the second one to enable remote control. By clicking on it, you can see a drop-down list of all meeting room participants, and you can give them remote access to your computer. And the last icon helps you to set your screen sharing quality, which you can change during the screen demonstration as well. I'll choose the highest. Now, I'll demonstrate how my teammates see my shared screen. You can see two screens, mine and Sally's. I click the screen sharing button and Sally and everyone in this meeting room sees the same thing, a new tab marked as Vincent's screen. By default, the screen demo window is shown in a smaller area, which you can observe by moving the sliders up and down, or you can switch to a full screen view. You just need to undock the screen sharing tab by dragging and dropping. Then click on the full screen icon. Now, I start demonstrating my design project and apply changes during our online meeting. To end my screen sharing, I click the stop icon on the top of the frame. Now I will give Sally remote control over my computer so we can work on my project side by side. Again, Sally is using full screen mode and makes some changes in my project. Screen sharing and remote control features can dramatically simplify your remote communication and help to solve your work issues. That's it. So this is how you can use two features in Virola Corporate Messenger. Thanks for watching. Follow our YouTube channel to see more tips.